Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a British ration. Now this is a 12-hour patrol ration, menu number 4. But yeah, we'll have a close look at it and then we'll try it out. And I just want to give a huge shout out to Kent Survival. He sent me this ration a few months back, and he's got his own YouTube channel with a bunch of survival and bushcraft type of videos. He's got some product reviews and of course some ration reviews as well. So make sure you check him out, Kent Survival. The link will be in the description box. All right, let's have a close look at it. And right off the bat, we have this warning label, and I believe that's for the flameless ration heater or the food heater, whatever you want to call it. And the warning is mostly to mention that it contains calcium oxide, sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide, and aluminum powder. So you put all those things together along with water or H2O and causes a reaction. So on the warning label, we have flammable solid in contact with water releases flammable gases, causes skin irritation, causes serious eye damage, may cause respiratory irritation, may cause drowsiness or dizziness, may be corrosive to other metals. So just important things to know. I'm pretty sure most of you are well aware of that. This is menu number 4, and that menu is chicken tikka masala with chickpeas and rice. So sounds very good. And as you can see, the bag is completely see-through. There's no other markings. You have a Ziploc seal, and that's about it. So yeah, let's get this thing opened up and see what we got. All right, let's open it up. We won't need a knife for this one. And we have a bag inside of a bag. Let's open it up. And the first thing we have is the famous British spoon or spork. And yeah, this thing's pretty big, very well made. So it's very nice. We have a 3-in-1 coffee, and I believe this is sugar, coffee, and creamer. So very nice. All right, and we have a wet wipe or alcohol-free antibacterial wipe. And we have a 3-in-1 tea, and same as the coffee, I believe this is sugar, creamer, and tea. Check this out. We have a strong mint, sugar-free gum with sweeteners. We have an extra bag for the trash or leftover components. We have a Beyond the Beaten Track cheese oat biscuits. Never tried these, so should be very interesting. Here we have a fruit flavored energy drink powder, and this is refreshing strawberry. Very nice. And we have a package of smooth peanut butter. Right, and we have a flameless ration heater, and this thing's pretty big. It's pretty massive, so should be interesting. And we have another energy drink, and the same flavor, refreshing strawberry. So get 2 of those. All right, we have this little guy. This is a Fruit and Fun, and it's a fruit pocket, apple, mango, banana. I've never had one of those. And we have some tissue paper, and I believe this is for after you eat the meal. All right, we have a sesame seed bar, and this thing's got some weight to it. It's a little bit dense. That's that. And the last thing we have is the chicken tikka masala, chickpeas and rice. I'm a big fan of Indian food, so should be a good one. And that's it. All right, and there you have all the contents. You have the chicken tikka masala, energy drink powder, smooth peanut butter, napkins, sesame seed bar, flameless ration heater, cheese oat biscuits, 3-in-1 coffee and tea, wet wipe, fruit pocket, some gum, and your spoon or spork. So let's get this stuff plated up and try it out. All right, let's get some water boiling. Of course, we gotta spill it everywhere. And we'll use our dime stove as always. All right. All right, let's heat up our main entree and we'll use the British flameless ration heater. Let's do that. The tear notch. There you have the heating element or pad. Let's get some water in there. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. All right. Just about right. Mix it up a little bit. And you have a piece of tape so you can close it up. Let's give it a minute to see if it activates. I'm still not getting any heat. Make sure we get the heating element soaked in that water. I am hearing some noise, but no heat. And it looks like it's activated, so set it off to the side. All right, let's prepare some drinks, and we're gonna need some hot water for the coffee and energy drink. I'm not sure why, but that's what the instructions say. And we're gonna need some boiling water for the tea. So let's do that. Start with the energy drink. And it just looks like pink sugar. Here's our 3-in-1 coffee. Open it up. And it just looks like a fine powder. And actually that's the 3-in-1 tea, not the coffee. This is the coffee. Let's open it up. And there you can see the freeze-dried coffee and sugar and creamer. All right, so let's get our boiling water. All right, let's turn this off. Oh. And let's give them a stir. All right, these drinks are extremely hot, so we're just gonna let them cool down and we'll come back to them. And in case you're curious, this is my Tuya knife talisman that my buddy John Kim sent me. And if you wanna get a hold of one, I'll have a link in the description box. And it's a very nice knife. Feels very good, very well made. It's got G10 handles, frame lock. There's the steel, AUS 10. Yeah. All right, let's check out the other components. Check out the biscuits. And there you have it. Crack it in half. It does have a slight cheesy smell to it. So try it. Yeah, that is very interesting. It tastes just like a Ritz cracker. except it's a little bit more bland and it has an oats flavor to it. So yeah, not bad. Let's check out that smooth peanut butter. See how smooth it is. Let's try by itself. Yeah, it's very watery. All right, there you have the smooth peanut butter, and it looks very watery, very runny. I'm guessing that's what makes it so smooth. All right, let's try it. Oh, wow. It's really good, actually. Let's get some more of it. It's got little tiny bits of peanuts, and yeah, it's very good. It's very flavorful, very salty. Yeah, that is a really good peanut butter. It does not taste like the MRE peanut butter. It's a little bit different, a little bit saltier. Yeah, it's really good, not bad. Let's try with the cheese oat biscuit. Hopefully we don't make a mess. There you have it, let's try it. Yeah, that is really interesting. The saltiness from the peanut butter brings out the oat flavor, makes it stronger, makes it better. Yeah, not a bad combination. Let's try out the tea, just to wash it down. There you have it, tea, sugar, and milk, or creamer. All right. Yeah, that is a really good tea, very good quality. You can definitely taste the green tea. It's really nice. Let's try with the biscuit. And we'll just dip it in there. Yeah, that's perfect. And let's have a taste of this sesame seed bar. And there it is. Can't really go wrong with this. Oh yeah. You can see all the sesame seeds covered in, I believe it's honey and syrup. All right, let's try it. Yeah, that's very good. If you've ever had a sesame seed bar, it just tastes like sesame seeds with either syrup or honey and roasted. So yeah, not bad. Let's try our coffee. There it is. All right. Yeah, that is a really good coffee. Nice, mild roasted flavor. Just the right amount of sweetness and creamer, just to my liking. So let's try the sesame seed bar with the peanut butter. See how that goes. See, yeah, it is a little bit thick once you get rid of that runniness. Now let's try the sesame seed bar with the peanut butter. All right, let's get our main entree. And it is nice and hot. All right, let's open it up. Yeah, it definitely has that tikka masala smell to it. Let's get onto our mess kit. Oh yeah, it looks really good. Let's get a nice bite. And that looks delicious. You can see the chickpeas, the chicken, and rice. And of course the tikka masala sauce. All right, let's try it. Let's go in for another bite. All right. That is one of the best MRE entrees or ration entrees I've had. The tikka masala is spot on, it's excellent, nothing wrong with it. The chicken is nice and moist, nice and tender and juicy, nothing dry about it. And the chickpeas just add a nice layer of texture and flavor. But yeah, I'm very impressed with this meal. It's excellent, thumbs up. All right, let's try out the refreshing strawberry sports drink or energy drink. There it is. It has more of a peachy color to it. All right. It's a little bit too sweet, so let me add some water. Let's try it again. Yeah, it just has a fruity taste to it. You do get a mild taste of that strawberry flavor, but overall it's just mild and sweet, not much flavor to it. And it has a slight hint of saltiness, but yeah, it's not bad. It is what it is. All right, let's check out the gum. You get 2 pellets. All right, let's try it. Yeah, it has a nice strong mint flavor, very natural, would definitely get the job done. All right, we almost forgot dessert. This is the Fruit and Fun. Let's open it up. Whoa. There it is. Let's try it. Yeah, that has almost the exact same flavor as Gerber baby food, just a little bit more sweet, but overall, it's not that bad. All right, guys, that's it. That wraps it up. This was the British 12-hour patrol ration, and I am blown away. I am very impressed. Everything was really good, top notch, no complaints. I'm very impressed. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this ration a 9 out of 10. Really good. It's a must try. It's a go out and get it. And I just want to give a huge thanks and shout out to Kent Survival. Make sure you check him out. He's got a ton of good quality videos, top notch. His content, he puts a lot of effort into it, so go check him out. That being said, I want to thank all of you, thank all of my patrons, all my supporters, all of you that send me stuff. Thanks a lot. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Try with the biscuit.